What's up, Internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So, kung napapansin nyo man, kung napanood nyo yung previous tutorial ko, so this is a Patch Quiwa ukulele tutorial series. Somehow, okay. So, ayun nga, marami kasi nagre-request na gawan ko ng tutorials yung mga kanta niya. So, without further much ado, grab your ukulele because I'm gonna teach you how to play Simula pa nung una by Patch Quiwa. So, in this tutorial, I'll be using a capo and I'll already clip it on the 4th fret of my uke because the original song was played on the 4th fret. And also, this song has only 4 chords, the 4 most basic chords na kailangan malaman ng beginners, which is G, D, E minor, and C. So, yung G, ganyan lang. Ilalagay ko naman yung pictures dyan para di na ako mag-explain. G, tapos D, E minor, and C. And for the strumming pattern of this song, may dalawang strumming pattern tayo. The first one is down, down, mute. And for the second strumming pattern, which is down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So, ayun yung dalawang strumming pattern para sa kantang to. So, para sa verse 1 ng kanta, the chord progression is G, D, E minor, C. Well, G, D, E minor, C naman talaga para sa entire song. Wala nang ibang chords, wala nang ibang arrangement. So, ayun lang. G, D, E minor, and C. So, the strumming pattern sa first 2 lines is down, down, mute, down, down, mute, down, down, mute, down, down, mute. Okay? So, going down, you have to use your index finger. Okay? Down, down, mute, down, down, mute, down, down, mute, down, down, mute. Simula pa nung una, hindi na maintindihan nararamdaman. Naging magkaibigan, ngunit di umabot ng magkaibigan. Okay? So, para yun sa first 2 lines ng kanta hanggang sa magkaibigan. Then, after nun, yung second strumming pattern na yung gagamitin natin, which is down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Tanggap ko yun noon, kampanta na ganun na lang, sapat na nakasama kita, kahit hanggang dun na lang. So, para sa last chord, kahit hanggang dun na lang. So, strum once. Kahit hanggang dun na lang. And then, the next part is the pre-chorus, the same strumming pattern. Di na lang ako lalapin, di na lang titingin, para hindi na rin mahulog pa sa iyong mga mata. So, again, yung last chord is C, sa iyong mga mata. So, you have to strum once. And then, for the chorus, the same strumming pattern pa rin. Siguro nga napamahal ako sa'yo. So, for the second verse of the song, the same strumming pattern and the same chord progression pa rin. Sinubukan ko naman na pigilan ang nararamdaman kahit mahirap lumayo at umiwas sa'yo. Paano ba naman? So, we have to strum once sa paano ba naman. And then, sa isang ngiti, isang tingin, in that line, you have to use the first strumming pattern, which is down, down, mute. Isang ngiti, isang tingin, kahit boses mo na rin nakakatunaw. Huwag nang. Okay? So, after nung sa C na chord, babalik ka na sa original na strumming pattern, which is down, up, mute. Ay, down, up, down, 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 up. So, ayun. Delikado na, delikado na. And then, for the next pre-chorus, the same pa rin. Hirap pa ring hindi dumap. sa bridge na part is nakatingin mula sa malayo. Same pa rin, pero parang medyo slow na yung tempo niya. Ibig sabihin, yung speed niya is medyo slower kaysa sa original. Nakatingin mula sa malayo. Tapos, strum ones. Tanggap ko nga ba to? Sapat na nga ba to? Tapos, sa next line, pero ikaw nang lumapit, yung tempo niya is slow to fast. Pero, ikaw na ang lumapit, nasa akin ang tingin, hinawakan ang aking kamay, at sabay sabi. Tapos, uulitin na naman yung chorus. Tapos, outro. Ayun na. Ayun lang. So, if you like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more tutorials like this, just hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified sa mga bagong uploads ko, also hit the bell beside the subscribe button down below. And if you have more tutorial suggestions, just drop it down in the comment box below. And if you have questions regarding this tutorial, also just drop your comments there on the comment section below. And I'll see you guys on my next videos. And thanks for watching.
Don't forget you're a fan with me.
Bye bye.